Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Technics EAH-AZ70 and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android device. First we have to open settings and then we have to click connect the devices. Now we have to click pair new device and now we have to open our case lid and remove our headphones from our case. Now we have to hold our finger on these touch panels at each and for 3 seconds at least. Now they are in pairing mode, so we have to wait. As you can see, is this one. Now we have to click it and now we have to click pair. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.